Respected Neela Satyanarayan Madam, Dahake Sir, Shri Bipin Ahire Sir, and Shri Atul Lande Sir, and my dear friends. First of all, I thank Sir to call me yesterday and call for this grand ceremony and to give me the opportunity to share a few words with you. मी सोनल सोनकवडे. मी I really want to thank my parents and my brother Rohit and Shri Atul Lande Sir for whatever success I have achieved in my life till death. Basically, I know Synergy Academy since the inception of the academy. I am the student since 2008. I have seen it growing since last 6 years. अतुल लांडे सरांना जेव्हा मी पहिल्यांदा भेटले होते तेव्हा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट चालला होता माझा अँड हिस्ट्रीचं पूर्ण गायडन्स सरांनी मला दिलं होतं. तर सर इज अ पर्सन हू हॅज क्रिएटेड द नॅशनल टॉपर लास्ट इयर ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री अँड दॅट पर्सन इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. When I remember Sir, I remember that my interview training first of all, which he had given to me, and that file which I had created, the file on my biodata last year, that year that is still going on, and I'm still reading it for every attempt. And it was the 5th attempt which I had given. Today morning I was at Goa. I was in my office sitting with my commissioner. I told him that, sir, please give me half day leave. I want to go to Pune and I want to it's my academy and I have to go for that function. So he said that, okay, I'll grant you, but what is happening? Are you getting into IAS? Then because I had given only one choice, it was IAS. Right now I am in IRS. So I said, I don't know, sir, but I know one thing, that either I'll be one day IAS or I'll create the Guinness Book record of cracking UPSC many times. I don't know what will happen with me, what grand God has planned for me, but let us see. So it's like when I think why I want to get into IAS, when I'm into this service and it's really going on well, we are catching many tax evaders, but still the joy of creation, it is really unparalleled. After getting into that service, I think madam is the inspiration for all of us. And now since last 1 year I am also into, sir has not specifically given me one particular topic, so I don't know what to say, sir. Everybody else was given topic to talk on for 5 minutes, but I am not given topic, so my talk will be touching many aspects. So sir, last 1 year it is not only UPSC but also my job, and I got only 1 month's leave from my office. So and it was new pattern, new syllabus, that ethics paper was also new. But still I made it a point to come to Synergy, and I was sitting in front of sir. I think many of you will be there, but though you might not be knowing me, I was sitting for 7 days, and there was a crash course of ethics and integrity I had attended, and that is the only coaching which I had taken this year for this examination. So thank you very much, sir, for whatever time you are giving to us. Madam, just 4 months back I had met the president of National Chess Association. So he had come and he had told that it is this chess is dying game and we have to do something for promoting it. So we had created one very good song, and the video will be shortly coming up. So when I am into this, I am just trying to do many things at a time, trying to be in the as assistant director of one film also. So while doing this, I think the joy of creation is still unparalleled, and still I am just trying to reach somewhere. I feel that I have to still get into IAS. I don't know why I have to again give attempt if I am not getting through this time. So let's see. Well, there is a thin line in between us. Few of us are on this side, few are at that side. These are the successful candidates. All the best to all of you for your careers. But the people who are sitting at that side, believe me that I was many times that side than this side. I had started right at the age of 21. In the first attempt I reached up to interview level. In the second attempt again I reached up to interview level. I could not get through. this happened again in the third attempt, but it was just the consistent efforts which had put me here till here, and it was only in the fourth attempt I got into IRS. Thank God that I had got a deputy collector post of MPSC 2 years back before getting into IRS, and I was working, I was getting some money, so I'm so thankful. It's a job, because ultimately you have to make your ends meet. So anyways, so the struggle will be on. But what I believe is that many people ask me, is it very tiring to go through this process again and again? But I feel that this process itself is so much enjoyable. Why? Because you come across many things which you usually ignore in your day-to-day life. You read a lot and you get so much of knowledge that I feel younger being in this crowd rather than being at office. I feel that I am a dynamic person. When I give UPSC, crack it, and look at this, that you are like getting limelight every year. This is also something which is good, right? So so friends, even if you don't get through, just one thing, that God has planned for everybody. Everybody cannot be into civil services, so He has a plan for everybody. Even today, if I don't get into IAS, I'll feel that, okay, I was hearing that the course director this year of Mussoorie, he's supposed to be very tough person. So God has saved me from that, and maybe I will catch many tax evaders again, and I'll complete my film, which I'm right now assisting, and then so many things are there. So thank you very much, and keep your efforts on, and it is only your consistent hard work in the right direction which can get through. आणि सॉरी जरा लँग्वेजचा प्रॉब्लेम झाला, कारण मराठी मीडियमचीच आहे मी काही आकाशातनं पडलेली नाही आहे, पण आता सध्या ऑफिसमध्ये इंग्लिश, त्यामुळे थोडं प्रॉब्लेमॅटिक होतं. सो थँक्स अ लॉट. थँक्यू.